Hey guys, I'm making this quick video because this site is really amazing for the best settings of Monyet. And when you're gonna look here on the settings, so the mouse is Zoe, you can have 400 dpi. Crosshair, when you're gonna look here, this is like unknown, so right down below what kind of crosshair he got. Then the keybinds, he got the Wooding 60 HF plus. And the video settings, so resolution 920, aspect ratio 69, aspect ratio full screen mode, and this is the equipment. So you got Zoe XL2546, you got Zoe EC2CW, HyperX Cloud, and Logitech 640. So this is what I wanted to share with you, like a really quick video. You can definitely check this site. It's really good for actually like knowing the updated version, and if you want to check the products, you can have links down below in the description. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day, and goodbye.